Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is April the 17th, 2018, and I want to show you my basil seedlings here. Now, I'm sorry for the video delay. I had done another one, and in the middle of doing the video, the battery died, and it kind of got lost in my computer, and I found it and realized it wasn't finished to upload for use. So I'm back with another video here. We're way past our true leaves here. These here are our true leaves, and it's getting a second set, so it already has its true leaves. And we feed this once a week with Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food. You do 1 teaspoon to a gallon of water. I'll have a link down below for the plant food that I use for them. And you never want to feed a dry plant because you can risk burning the root system on it, so make sure your seedlings are nice and moist before you feed them. And I just want to show you this here. We are still giving these that neem treatment. We give it to them once a month that I first mixed up and used when I planted these as seeds. I'll have a link down below for that as well. And we seem to be doing really good with them. Here's some more over here. I'm not seeing any issues on the leaves or any sign of that downy mildew. So I'm very pleased with how these are doing. And I just wanted to give you an update on it. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.